So you have huge dreams. Your vision board is a masterpiece. You can see your future success so clearly it's like watching a movie. But when it's time to hit play on your own life, you'd rather just scroll through your phone. Sound familiar? Welcome to the club of the ambitiously lazy. You're not broken, you just need a better strategy. I will show 3 steps to take control of your life again. And the third is the most important one, so pay attention. 1. The 2-minute rule. Trick your brain your biggest enemy is starting. The mountain of work looks too high to climb. So, use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Reply to that email, put those dishes away. Done. For bigger tasks, just start the first 2 minutes. Want to write a report? Just open the document and write the title. Need to work out? Just put on your workout clothes. You're not committing to the whole thing, just the starter. Your brain will often realize it's not so bad and keep going. It's like tricking yourself into being productive. 2. Lower the bar. Seriously. Your ambition sets the bar at perfect. Your laziness sees that bar and goes back to bed. The solution? Set the bar on the floor. Don't say, I need to clean the entire apartment. That's exhausting. Say, I will clean for just 10 minutes. Don't plan a 1-hour workout. Plan a 15-minute walk. A terrible half-hearted effort is infinitely better than no effort at all. Progress, no matter how small, builds momentum. Perfectionism is the killer of action. And finally, 3. Make laziness work for you. You're lazy? Good. Use that. Your laziness is a powerful tool for efficiency. Ask yourself, what's the laziest way to get this done? Can you automate a payment? Can you cook 2 meals at once so you don't have to cook tomorrow? Can you put your water bottle on your nightstand so you remember to drink it? Your desire to do less can help you find smarter, quicker ways to achieve your goals. Work smarter, not harder. Ambition gives you the destination, but discipline, built through tiny, consistent actions, is the vehicle that gets you there. Stop waiting for a burst of motivation. It's not coming. Instead, take a stupidly small step. Right now. Your ambition isn't a curse, it's your potential. Your laziness isn't a flaw, it's a call to be more clever. Now go be productively lazy. What's one tiny step you'll take today? Tell me in the comments. I'm Lobato, and I hope to have helped you, sir. See you next time. Stay hard.